Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial I will be showing you guys how to find Facebook Messenger link. So without any further ado, let's get into it. The first thing that you're gonna do is go and open your Facebook. Then tap on the menu which is present on the bottom right of your screen. After that, tap on the gear-like icon present on the top. Then on the search bar, write user. Then tap on username. After this, you will there get to fill out your username. Before writing your username, start with m.me. and then your desired username. m.me is a code that helps you generate your Facebook Messenger link. And there you go. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching.